Hello team and family, this is video number 1 over independent versus dependent variables. A freight train moves at a constant speed. The distance y in miles the train has traveled after x hours is shown in the table. In the top of the table you have time, in the bottom of the table you have distance. What are the two quantities in this situation? So, the two quantities are time and distance. Those are the two things being measured in the table. Which of these quantities depends on the other? So distance, how far this person is traveling in the freight train, depends on the time that that person's in the freight train. So distance depends on time. So if it's 1 hour, it's only going to be 50 miles. If it's 2 hours, it's 100. The distance is dependent upon the amount of time that you're in the train. So the independent variable would be the time. That is just how much time it takes. And then the dependent variable, the thing that's dependent upon the time, is the distance that you travel. How far does the train travel each hour? So I can tell by the table, this is a multiplicative relationship, and I'm multiplying it by 50 each time to go from the time to the distance. So, how far does the train travel each hour? 50 miles. And then the relationship between the distance traveled by the train and the time in hours can be represented by an equation in two variables, where y is the distance traveled per hour is 50, and then the time is represented by x. So if you multiply 50 times x, it'll get you your distance, which is y.